So we're ready to do number 10 now. Graham, read number 10 for me. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not going to argue with you. This one's going to take us some extra work. We're going to really have to think about this one. Graham, would you read that for us, please? How many people do we want to serve?
30.
30 people. And we're assuming a serving is just 1 cup. Now I want you to flip back and look at your table. Everybody flip back and look at your table. How many people will this recipe serve? If a serving is 1 cup, how many people will this recipe serve? You need to be looking at the table. How many cups are there in this recipe? What's the total? The total's 10, guys. Look at the bottom. Isn't that 10 cups?
Yeah.
That's 10 cups. So this recipe makes 10 cups. But how many people do we want to serve?
30.
We want to serve 30. What do you have to do to 10 to make it jump up to 30?
You have to add?
Well, you could add, but when you're doing things like this, this is going to use multiplication.
Oh, okay.
What do you have to do to 10 to make it into 30? Hannah, you're over there working mighty hard. I hope you're getting the right answers. Hannah, what are you doing to 10 to make it into 30? Because we already said addition's the wrong thing. Anybody have an idea?
10 times 3.
It is times 3. The way you would take 10 servings and make it into 30 is to multiply by 3. That would give you 30 servings. Graham, does that make sense to you?
Yes.
You agree that if I took 10 and I multiplied it by 3, that would give me 30 servings? I could serve a whole lot more people? You agree? Hannah, you agree with that? If I multiply it by 3. Now, the way that you would get 30 cups of lemonade is if you used 3 times as much of everything. Okay, you looking at the table? Look at the table. So how much lemon juice would we need if we want to serve 30 people? What do I do to this 2?
That's what I'm...
Multiply it by 3. See, we already decided we have to multiply by 3. So if I multiply by 3, how much lemon juice would I need? 2 times 3, guys.
6.
That is 6. How much simple syrup would I need? What do I do to this 1? What do you do to it, Graham? What am I doing to all these numbers? Multiplied by what? Yes, sir. And so how many cups of simple syrup would I need?
3.
1 times 3 is 3. And Hannah, what am I going to do to these 7 cups of water? By?
3.
And that gives me how many cups of water?
21.
21. That's right. So 3 cups of lemon juice and 6 cups of lemon juice and 3 cups of syrup and 21 cups of water all mixed together would give me 30 cups of lemonade. Is that what you got? So now let's go back. We did all of our work here at the table. Let's go back and look at number 10 and make sure we answered the question. Suppose you need to make enough lemonade to serve 30 people. How much of each ingredient would you need? Well, we did answer that question. So let's just transfer these answers. So the lemon juice, I'm just going to put LJ for lemon juice, would be 6 cups. Simple syrup, SS, would be 3 cups. Water, I'll just put W for water, would be 21 cups. Okay? Good? Lemon juice, simple syrup, water. There we go. Nice job, Graham. Okay. Everybody ready to move on? Taylor mixed 2 containers of blue paint with 3 containers of yellow paint to create her favorite shade of what? Hey guys, do you know what you get when you mix blue and yellow together? What do you get?
Green.
You do get green. So Taylor mixed, she's mixing things together, isn't she?
Yes.
Did she mix together an equal amount of blue and yellow?
Yes.
Did she? I just read the problem to you.
No.
No. Did she use more of one color than the next? She sure did.
Well, I just need to make green and we need more yellow though.
It depends, because you know there's so many different colors of green. You know how some greens are very yellowy, but some greens are more like clover. And it's all due to the amount of yellow and green that you mix together. That's why there are so many different ways you can make the color green.
But to make like that green that you're wearing, your shirt, you would need to mix a little bit more yellow.
You know, I don't really know. I would say this is more blue than yellow, but I could be wrong. I don't know. But I like to have a picture. So you know what I'm going to do? Let me see, 2 containers of blue. I'm going to make myself a little container here and put blue. I'm going to do a second one and put blue. 3 containers of yellow. I'm going to do 1. I'm not much of an artist, guys, sorry.
No, it's fine. I'm sure.
All right, 2 blues and 3 yellows. All right. Write the ratio of blue paint to yellow paint. Blue paint to yellow paint. Hey, Graham, what color's going on top of my ratio?
Blue,
You're right, blue's going on top. And what's going on the bottom, Graham?
yellow.
Yes, sir, it is. So, Addie, what numbers will I use to write this ratio?
You'll use 2 on the top, then 3 on the bottom.
All right, great ratio. Now, let's see if it can be reduced. Well, the bottom number's not even, so I can't divide by 2. And these are tiny numbers. That's completely reduced. All right, we're good on that? All right. She realizes she needs more paint to cover a second wall. She wonders if she can just add 2 more containers of each color. Would this give her the same shade of green?
No.
What would the ratio of blue paint to yellow paint be? All right, so if she did 2 more, we're still comparing blue to yellow. If she did 2 more blues, how many would she have? If she did 2 more blues, how many blues would she have? Anybody, just
4.
give me a guess. She would have 4. The 2 she already had plus 2 more. And if she did 2 more yellows, what would she have?
5.
5. And that's a completely reduced ratio also. So, Addie, You were right when you said, no, these are not the same. Hey, Hannah, are you writing notes with us? Okay. Is this ratio equal to the ratio in number 11? No. 2/3 does not equal 4/5. 2/3 does not equal 4/5. Okay? All right, so this is actually an equal sign with a line through it. That means does not equal. Okay? Let me stop this video and